Welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to discuss about January 2023 P1 papers, that is question number 2. Here they mention the point PQR have coordinates -3, 7, then 9, 11 and 12, 2 respectively. Prove that the angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. So PQR is equal to 90 degree in the sense we can able to identify that the line PQ and the QR is perpendicular. Then we can mention that PQR is equal to 90 degree. So first of all I just mark the points. So here we are having that -3, 7. So -3, 7 here we are having that this is our P point and the Q point is 9, 11. So here approximately I mark it as 9, 11. So this is my Q point and the R point I'm having 12, 2. So it is approximately here. So this is 12, 2. So that is my R point. So I can able to create the line like this. So if I prove that these lines are making 90 degree or perpendicular to each other, then this PQR is 90 degree. So how can I do that? So I can able to calculate that the gradient of PQ and the gradient of QR. So first of all I am going to calculate the gradient of PQ, that is MPQ is equal to, I am going to take these 2 points. It is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, that formula I am going to use. So that is 11 minus 7 divided by 9 minus minus 3. So 11 minus 7 the value will be 4. 9 minus minus 3 the value will be 12. So this will be 1 by 3. So I am having that MPQ is equal to 1 by 3. The next I need to calculate the gradient of QR. So that is MQR. So same formula I am going to use, but this 2 points I need to use it. So this is 2 minus 11 divided by 12 minus 9. So 2 minus 11, this value will becomes minus 9 divided by 12 minus 9, the value will be 3. So minus 9 by 3, the value will becomes minus 3. So I am having the two gradients. So now for finding that the two lines are perpendicular, I need to multiply that MPQ times MQR. So this value will becomes 1 by 3 times minus 3. So this is becomes that minus 1. So when we are using that 1 by 3, 1 by 3 times minus 3, the value will becomes minus 1. So we can able to write it as PQ is perpendicular to QR, so that we can mention the angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. So this is the way we can able to prove that. Then second part, given that the point S is such that PQRS forms a rectangle, find the coordinates of S. So here we are having that PQR point. So I just mark it here. This is minus 3, 7 and this is 9, 11 and this is 12, 2. So they mentioned that this is a rectangle. So this line is parallel to SR, so that we can able to identify how much this Q is deviated or how much the R is deviated from the Q. So we can able to use the same deviation from P to S. So if you are seeing that from Q to R, so this is 9 to 12. So here we are using plus 3 units, plus 3 units in the x-axis, and also we are using minus 9 units in the y-axis to reach this. So that I need to add plus 3 units. So if it is that plus 3 units, it becomes that 0, and then I need to create that minus 9 units. So this will becomes 0 comma 7 minus 9, right? So it will becomes minus 2. So this is the S coordinate. So how can we write it? For the S, we can able to write it as from minus 3, we need to write plus 3, comma, from that 7, we need to write it as minus 9. So the S point, it will becomes 0 comma minus 2. So this is the way we can able to identify the coordinate of S. Okay. Thank you.